So hello students, today in our session on English vocabulary we will take up homographs. So let's learn more about homographs. Now students, homographs are words that have the same spelling. They may or may not sound the same, but they have different meanings. So let us go through some examples of homographs so that you understand better. So here you have some few examples of homographs. So let's take the first word, firm, right? Now firm could mean a strong belief or a strong surface. Firm could also mean a company or an organization, right? So I told you firm is a strong belief. एक पक्का विश्वास किसी चीज़ में, we call that as firm, or a strong surface, मजबूत surface. और firm could also mean an organization, मतलब firm एक कंपनी का नाम भी हो सकता है या एक कंपनी हो सकता है. सो लेट अस सी हाउ द मीनिंग्स एमर्ज व्हेन वी कंस्ट्रक्ट सेंटेंसेस, राइट? सो लेट्स कंस्ट्रक्ट द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. ही हैज़ अ फर्म दैट एक्सपोर्ट्स लेदर गुड्स. That means he has a company or an organization that deals in the exports of leather goods. बाहर लेदर का गुड्स बेचने का व्यवसाय है. ओके, सो दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ ही हैज़ अ फर्म दैट एक्सपोर्ट्स लेदर गुड्स. नाउ ऑन द अदर हैंड स्टूडेंट्स विल अंडरस्टैंड अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग. He has a firm belief in God. That means he has a very strong belief in God. Right? So he has a firm belief in God means उसको भगवान में बहुत ही विश्वास है. Right? Then let's look at the third sentence. The bed on which he sleeps is firm. Right? So what's the meaning of that? How do you go about the meaning? The bed on which he sleeps is firm. That means the bed on which he sleeps is quite strong. So students, you have seen in the three different examples how the meanings change, right? So that's a very good example of a homograph. Now let's look at the next one, current. Now current could have different meanings. For example, mass of air or water flowing in a particular direction. You have heard of strong air currents or strong currents in a river or an ocean. So current would basically mean a mass of air or water moving in a particular direction, and current means also the present times, the present situation, current, right? So we'll construct sentences from which you will understand the two different meanings of the word current, right? The river currents are very strong. मतलब नदी में जो पानी का करंट है वो बहुत ही तेज है, right? Then the current pandemic situation is worrying. That means आजकल जो pandemic situation है, कोरोना situation है, वो बहुत ही चिंताजनक situation है, right? So that is the meaning, two different meanings of the word current which is spelled the same way. So let us take up one more example, then you could practice the other examples on your own, right? So here we have another homograph, train, right? Now train could mean to train a person in a particular skill or behavior. किसी को ट्रेन करना, like उसको कंप्यूटर में ट्रेन किया, right? So train has a different meaning here. It could mean to develop a person in a particular skill, right, or a particular behavior. Like you can see there's a sentence down, I would like to train my pet dog. मतलब मेरे पास जो घर में कुत्ता है, पेट डॉग है, उनको मुझे ट्रेन करवाना है. आई वॉन्ट टू ट्रेन दैट डॉग, राइट? सो इट्स अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग. द सेकेंड वन यू कैन सी, ही वॉज अबाउट टू बोर्ड द ट्रेन to go to his native place. Now in this sentence, train is a noun. In the first sentence, training my pet dog, so train over there is a verb. Here in the second sentence, train is a noun. So he was about to board the train to go to his native place. That means गाँव जाने के लिए वो ट्रेन में जाने वाला था या बोर्ड करने वाला था, right? So see the two different meanings of the same word, which is spelt in the same way, but they have totally different meanings. So students, there are many such examples of homographs. You can pick them up and try to construct sentences which bring out the different meanings in them, right? So students, we have seen some 3 examples of homographs. You can try out a few more words, few more homographs, construct sentences on the same. In our next session, we'll be dealing with homophones. So you'll get some examples where you'll be able to understand the difference between homographs and homophones better. Till then, students, thank you, stay safe, and goodbye to all of you.